Okay, everybody, let's try finding the scary synth pads. If you remember them, they were really cool. What you're going to do is go into Instruments here, and if you are in this setting, all you do is add track, and then that will show up, and you can check that one, okay? So then it's going to add this track. What you need to do is go to Piano down here, click on that, and right below that will be Special Effects. Then you want to go into SFX Pad, and you want to go click above that to Scary Sounds Pad. Then to record any of these, put your cursor back to the beginning, click Record, and come in after those 4 clicks, and you just press. And then you've got one recording that you just made. Now, let's listen to it. All right, I think I will press rewind there, and I'm going to layer something on top of that. So when I record, it's going to record it right on top of this. It's like making just a layer. Think lasagna. So I just added the whispering over that, and I don't know if that's really even enough. Then I think over all that, I'll make one more, and I'll add Ring Around the Rosie, I think. Yeah, no, I don't want that one. Oh, stop. Stop. How do I stop these? Ugh. No. I like F. I'm going to use that one. Here we go. All right, let's listen to it all together. So that's how you can use these scary sounding pads, okay?